Hi and welcome, I am here today with GIGASET GS190 and I'll be showing you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. So first, tap anywhere on the home screen and hold it for a few seconds, milliseconds actually in this case. Now choose wallpapers, choose a wallpaper that fits you, for example this one, come on. Okay, now tap on set wallpaper and choose lock screen. Now if you try to lock a phone and unlock it, as you can see, the lock screen wallpaper has changed. So that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.